Hello mga wap. So, nangita siya plane nga para iyang i-fly today. Because it's a
Trying to figure
nice
out what we're
weather.
gonna fly.
What plane? What RC plane?
I don't know. Maybe I should fly the stick. Charles isn't here. He'll be angry.
Hi Charles. I'm sorry. I'm his new buddy now.
New co-pilot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't.
So, may yung RC plane. What is the name of this RC plane?
This is an extra 260.
Extra 260.
Yeah, this would be a good one to fly today.
A bit big.
Yeah.
So extra 260.
Yeah, it's on the wings, right here. Okay.
So kung kabalo mo, mo ni yung gibuhat nga RC plane para sa kuha. Nagpait na siya Barbie kay mura daw ako. Ulayo ra makayo. Oh, it's charging?
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. So mo na yung shop, grabe, as in. Dagan ko siya mga kuan tools. Ano sa man yun eh? Mura man yung kuan. Pang-ipit siguro na sa kuan Intel. Jukira kaya ni eh.
That's so funny.
Nothing, this one. Mura man yung pang-ipit sa Intel. Joke.
What's man?
Bisaya na ka?
No.
You're not Bisaya?
Dude.
Dili. Tuwara na po. Lain na po yung airpin niya. Palo pa dun. Kaya di daw sumicharge itong charger ato.
Checking the battery voltage.
So, magpalupad may RC plane ka. So, di man ito mo-under ang isa. So, kanila mo-under. Siguro. Sira kung sunod-sunod ano yun sa yung button.
Ooh. 6.6. Okay.
I-charge yung battery. Sabot ano eh. Is that ready to fly?
Almost, but I noticed that there's a piece that's loose here. Okay.
So, dili lang niya ipalupad ni kinay problema.
And actually,
Ito na po siya other RC plane para ipalupad.
just gonna. Oops.
Oh, that's big.
Yes. And dirty. And dirty. Ooh. No No battery. Oh, wait a minute. There is a battery.
That's really big, man. One is small, this one is big. What is that, my love? Oh, it's working. Just the cover. Is that a gas?
This is gas, yes, but what I need is this is fuel. Bubbly.
Ako yung palupadan ni Carmen. Why it's leaking?
I forgot. Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. Next time.
Balik na lang niya.
Charles won't be mad at me.
Nag-leak daw. Careful.
And it's a great one to warm up on too.
What white one?
This one
So, kanina na niya ipapalupad.
right here. So what we have to do.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning.
And we have to select the correct model.
What's that model?
That is the
And-
Timber.
95.
And we're ready to take off. No wind conditions. We'll be taking off to the right. And easterly direction.
What happened? Oh my god!
The bowls. It's the bowls, I tell ya.
It's the grass for sure. So smooth. Perfect. Nice one.
Engine off. There's no charger out here, is there?
Yeah. So it's another plane.
Different plane.
Mm. Yeah.
There's really small wheels and it's not.
Nagawid ra jud ko ano. One, two, three, go. So weird.
Oh, you think so?
Yes, you are.
You're the O in my weirdness.
Why there's no Barbie there?